So you waxed your underarms before all the time?
This is actually my first time.
Great. Well, welcome to the service. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Thank you very much.
So I'm just going to start off with some cleanser. This is just going to help prep the skin and wax. Moisturizer, deodorant, anything like that.
I do have deodorant.
No problem. The cleanser's going to do a good job of doing that.
Okay.
So underarms don't hurt too bad.
I hope not.
Is it something that you want to keep doing, or do you think you want to go today?
Yes, I would love to keep doing this because I'm so tired of shaving. Shaving's been irritating the crap out of my skin and it doesn't like it.
Yeah.
And I've only heard good things about waxing when it comes to underarms.
Right. Yeah. So with underarms, you can wax your underarms every 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay.
You might notice hair growth coming in the first week or so. That's normal. That's just your hair kind of getting on all the same growth cycle.
Okay.
It'll take a few waxes for that to regulate, but as you keep doing it, as long as you don't shave and you stay consistent, you're going to notice that you can come in less frequently.
Okay.
So I would start off with every 2 to 3 weeks, but then as time goes on, if you want to do like every 3 or 4, we can do that too.
Okay. Now I heard that if you shave in between waxings, then the waxing is actually more painful the next time.
That is
Okay.
correct.
All right.
Yeah,
So I won't do that.
Good question. That's good that you brought that up. So
That's what I've heard from other people, from friends.
Right. Yeah. When you wax and then you shave, you reset the growth pattern, so the hair comes in thicker
Okay.
and it's stronger, so it's harder for the wax to grab the hair.
Gotcha. Okay.
So it hurts more.
Okay. That's why. Okay.
Right. So this is going to feel a little warm, but it shouldn't be uncomfortable. How's that temperature?
That's totally fine.
Okay. So some of the hair might be feeling like it's being pulled. That is normal. I
don't feel anything.
Okay. Good. So this should be a pretty clean strip for you. I think we'll do this one and then maybe a clean up.
Okay.
But it does look like your hair is actually. I know you said you feel like you have a lot, but it looks like it's a little thinner.
My hair is just naturally thinner.
Yeah. That's okay. So do you have any questions so far about anything?
What should my aftercare be like? What do I need to do after my waxing? Because I want to make sure that I don't irritate my skin after.
Great question. So for aftercare, the first 24 hours is the most important, okay? So for 24 hours, no working out. Look at that.
That didn't even hurt.
I don't know if the camera can see it, but that was a good strip. And so no working out for 24 hours. Avoid hot water for a day or two.
Okay.
I don't recommend putting deodorant on right after. If you want to, you might be able to get away with that, but it'd be best if you probably just let your skin breathe for a couple days.
Okay.
And then once the hair starts growing in, you do want to exfoliate. So you want to exfoliate like maybe 2 or 3 times a week.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, so the reason for that is because the hair comes in thinner and softer. So if there's any dead skin, which just naturally happens, then it prevents the hair from coming through properly and then you get ingrowns.
Gotcha.
So if you exfoliate like 2 or 3 times a week, you kind of reduce the chances of that happening.
Okay. That makes sense.
It's pretty straightforward. It's not too bad. The main thing is just no working out and just kind of let the skin breathe for a day or 2, okay?
Perfect.
And then I can also give you a card afterwards that has everything that we talked about for aftercare.
Perfect, because I probably won't remember everything.
Right. There's a lot going on all at once, you know?
Yeah, right.
But yeah, so far the underarms for the first time did really good. They didn't even look like there was that much to clean up, but I don't know if the camera can see that. But yeah, that looks really good. So I think after these 2 strips, I'll just tweeze a little and then you're good to go.